Hi guys, this is where you walk in, the front door. It has this light over here. You can put your shoes and everything here. And this is the living room area. Beautiful place. He has this little shelf here. I have my phone on there. Let me turn off the lights. Let's see. Yeah, that's one of the lights. And he has this like a little office area with a ceiling fan and a closet. Hi guys. He has a mirrored closet, and it's like a walk-through closet. So I'm walking in. So he has like a little walk-in closet. Hey y'all, how are you guys? If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell button. So we're gonna go. This is my OOTD outfit of the day. Okay, so he has a walk-in closet over here. Let's go back out. This is like a little office area. You can see the outside. I'm not gonna show you the outside because it's private. But this is the living room with the little shelf over there. We're gonna walk to the dining room area. This is the dining room, guys. I like this light that's hanging. It's like I can touch it. This is how low it is, and I like that it's that low. And he has it's a Bluetooth speaker. If you wanna, you know, play some music or whatever. And this is one of the bedroom. You know, this like a little. All the ceiling fans have a remote, so you can control them through the remote. We leave it right here. And they all have a walk-in closet. You can hear my echo. That shows you that it's really big. So you turn off the light in here. And I turn off the fan too. I just love this light. Don't you guys love this light too? Anyway. This is just a little closet space. That's the good thing about this house. It has a lot of closet space. So, the best thing about this house is the kitchen. Look at the kitchen, guys. It's a shelf. It's a shelf kitchen. You like that? I like that hanging light. Again, I can reach it, so they're not really that high. I'm 5'4", so they're hanging pretty low. This is the kitchen. Look at the kitchen. He has a little island over here. All stainless steel appliances. And it's white cabinets. Still got some stuff. Well, we got some stuff in there. But white cabinets. Look at the stove. Brand new stove. Brand new stove. Brand new. Same with the microwave. Brand new microwave. Look at the cabinets though. I love the white color. Has another hanging light over here. See? Yeah. Brand new dishwasher, so I don't have to use my hands to wash dishes. The sink. Water pressure is good. No. The kitchen is my favorite part out of the rooms. Look at this refrigerator. It's a Samsung refrigerator. You know they're fancy. Look at that. Blue. color. It has the control system on the bottom. You can control how hot, and the freezer has plenty of space. It has an ice maker. Someone already made some ice. Oh, that's too big. Perfect size. Look at that. Cool. And this is where you can control. This is what the main controller is. This is why I like Samsung stuff. And this is the laundry room. No, brand new washer and dryer. Have some cabinets over here. I like this clear. And then we have our bathroom. You know, nothing fancy, just a tub and a shower. Nothing fancy. We got some extra room over here. I love extra rooms. So it's 2 bathroom, 3 bedroom. This is the master bathroom. It's a little bit fancy. It has like a little glass stand. I like this square. And it has this light up here. Ooh, yes, that's the lighting that I need right now. That's the lighting that I need. It has this shower. This also turns on. No, it has this glass shower. Let's go in for a second. Let's see. That's this glass shower we can, and look at this shower. Yeah, so you can turn in, it's a slide door. That's the shower head. I like big shower heads, and you have a light up there. Close this. Turn off this light. So is this. And all the bathrooms have ventilation systems, so you can, you know, get rid of that stinky smell when you're taking care of your business. Yeah, I'm just gonna be here cooking, you know, making some food. And yeah, it's really beautiful. I like the brightness, the gray color. It's not super bright with the white accents. It's really cute, like modern style. And the cabinets on the island, you know, little spacious. For everything. So yeah, this is the whole look, the overlook of the place. Yeah. So I'm gonna walk back. Dining room, bedroom, living room, bedroom over there. That's a little walk-in for the front door and a little office area, and that's all, guys. That is all for today. So I'm gonna do a little, ooh, look. It's not plugged in yet, but that's security system. You can see who's at the door, buzz them in and all that stuff. Oh my goodness, I just love the kitchen. I keep coming back here because it's just that awesome. Well guys, that is all for today. If you like my house tour, leave any comments below and let me know what you think about this place. Also, you know, once you get furnished and everything, we'll do another tour, but not promising that. Just checking the stuff. Anyways, this is the house tour. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified when you get when I post more videos and share